If my OBS will open. Baby girl, let me see you do a dance. Let me see you come on. Let's go. He just said he's dead. Voila. This better be the run, bro. Last one was dead too.
I feel like I don't think gasoline really matters in that.
It's for I would say second phase. I don't know because we're not focused on killing anyone else because the only other thing in the second phase is that tank.
Damn, it's like crowbar. I don't even know if I have an effect.
Bro, my headphones just died.
Oh yeah, I just saw that. That's like a crazy audio. Crazy audio switch. How does it get dark? Yo, Gio.
I forgot. I got that video. Mouse dying, headphones dying, bro. Whoa,
I don't want the crowd for this. I don't want this crowd. Teleporter over. Back to the market. It's Valhalla.
Huh?
Valhalla.
What?
Valhalla.
Voila. Myself what 3 times. I'm fucking dead. I don't even have triple that jump.
I wonder what character.
I don't know. Shit, none? Could you imagine? I'd be so pissed off. That better be the moon, too.
Better be some. Not one. Oh, I got the wrestling foot guy.
Pretty good. I have to be careful.
When it's 99. Fortnite or Risk of Rain?
Risk screen. I don't like one.
They added one.
Alright. Okay, I gotta be at bed by 11. No. Why? Because my mom told me so. I'm so cooked for this TSI. I'm not even, bro. I'm not an academic scholar at all, bro. I'm fucking dumb as shit.
Try the ASVAB?
No.
Just to try, I'm not saying.
No, I never tried it. Shit, I don't even know it was a thing until you said you were taking it. Yeah.
Jeez. What if you fail it? You just don't like it. You have to
No, it's just for like, there's no necessarily failing. It's just,
See where you are.
well, I guess it is failing, but it's just, then you would have to just take those classes in college.
Boy.
Yeah. So like, if I needed like a college algebra for my major, I would need to take a college algebra. So. Miss Wing for college.
Making games sounds pretty cool.
Shit. Well, we just gotta see what we see.
I'm sure we'll go 4 years.
Damn, bro. Ham's gonna be bald, bro.
Cutting all my hair off after graduation. I'm not sure if the school ball. So I'm gonna do it after graduation.
Would it be odd to not show up to graduation and they just call your name and it's just no answer? Tatum Smith. Crickets. What about him? He could be saying anything. No, this dude went home. He literally posted a picture of him at like like he took off his shirt because it was all bloody. He's like trophy or some bull crap like that. Because at home they did not arrest him. They let him walk, bro. He literally drove home. Did you send a picture of him driving home? And then he got home and he took a picture of his knuckles because they were fucked. Because he did punch a wall in the new No, when he was punching him against the wall or whatever, he missed and punched the wall instead once. It happens. I mean, I've never punched a wall in a fight, but it definitely happens. I can't see you getting in a fight. I mean, maybe. I think it depends too. But you? I mean, I wouldn't think you would anyway, to be honest. I mean, unless you have to, but like, yeah. I mean, self-defense, bro. Self-defense is self-defense. Also, I got the thing for the teleporter. Wait, let me grab this real quick, though. Okay, you ready? What about you? Oh! My computer's gonna fucking die. My computer's gonna fucking explode. Holy shit. Burn, baby, burn. Ooh. So we're gonna open up a portal. This one's gonna open up a portal for blue.
Oh shit. Let's. You driving tomorrow?
No, my sister goes to school tomorrow. Where's this one? Corpse Bloom.
Yeah, this Corpse Moon's like the only good one. Because it doubles your healing, but it's over time. So,
Wasn't this bug on the dinghy scent?
Transcendence. What is? Let me see. Okay, that one's a good one.
Is it? Alright.
Oh, it has no.
You told me it was a good one. Convert all my health to shield.
Wait, that's good,
Is it?
right?
I don't know. Is it?
Convert all but one health into regenerating shields.
Okay. 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 So I'm 1 health with 612 shield.
Is that not good?
I don't know. It doesn't sound good.
Screw our run over. Eight. Actually getting some nice comments. I get that.
Let me get back. Where we go? Oh, we missed it. By 50 seconds.
Are you able to see that drone? Oh, there's a focus crystal.
Huh?
I marked a focus crystal if you want. You don't want it?
No, go ahead.
I feel like we're gonna need a lot of ammo for the boss too.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
dash. Oh, I found it. Oh, the big
Don't
turtle.
worry. How much is it?
1.5. I know, I've never seen that turret in a million. So what if like we make it to the boss at 11 o'clock? Like, you have to get off.
Bro, you really think I'm going to bed at 11 o'clock?
Okay.
They used to go to bed like 11:30.
Rebel?
My beauty sleep.
Or a little rebel?
This nigga. What the fuck? How the fuck did I take damage from that?
At least gotta crash it.
Crash the fuck out.
You wanna buy it after the boss fight? Or you just wanna save it for it first? Then do it. Actually,
We could buy after, it don't matter.
see if you don't work, you don't eat, young man.
How much was it?
5. Oh!
You have enough? No, I'm close though. Almost have now. 1.5. Okay. Come here. Come here. I need like 30 more.
I need a different cube ad. I don't know about the. I don't know if the black holes is helping though on that stage. Do you think? I feel like it's
Don't buy it. I don't have any. I literally have enough right here.
What'd you say?
Yes, I have it. We have it.
I said.
The big boy.
I said. Do you think the black holes are helping on that stage?
Oh yeah, I think it because it like stops them. Oh wait, I pressed the wrong button. Watch out for the.
Oh
watch out for the
no! We need to
meteors.
get rid of that, bro.
Oh, I can't see. It's black. But they just die so quick.
What is this? Shatter spleen?
Critical strikes always bleed enemies now. Explode?
But okay, so we need to get them glasses, like, because the glasses give you like extra like critical. Be looking out for the glasses.
I bet.
Oh, I probably should have let you buy the turret, because then you could have healed it with your shit. You have 7 of those fungi?
I do.
Am I tripping? I can't see the number.
Not two.
Okay, 'cause then it looks like I don't know what I'm fucking smoking, bro. What the fuck? It's glitched on mine. It looks like a 7.
Glasses on?
Yes. I love the fact that you asked that.
And I was about to say, and my glasses are on.
You wanna look, or you just wanna go straight to X?
Let's go next, honestly.
You like that Kanye gif I sent?
This is so stupid.
Magma worm. Oh, buddy. Oh, it's already coming. It's here.
I just pulled it up for the video. The heat in question had that. Ooh, that's that pyro up there. Oh, band. There's a band in here.
Oh, what?
A band.
Get that.
Now you can get it. I just bought a fucking whatchamacallit. There's the magazines in here. Alright, this stage looking kind of stacked already.
So I do not want this crowd. Find any double jumps?
I have not.
No, get away from me! He's running.
Wonder if my audio like glitched out because my headphone died. Who cares? I'm just gonna steal your audio.
Oh, these lizards, bro!
I'm steal your video audio.
Wait. I got a pro,
Oh.
yes, that's good. Wait, get this. Wait, Gio, get this and then use this. You'll get rid of it. And you'll get like something better. Bro,
What I get? Increase your maximum health,
that's good, that's good.
bro. It got rid of my one thing that I bought.
Alright, it's whatever, it's whatever.
Like, that shit didn't do nothing but get rid of it. Tatum. Tatum. No, fuck that. Where's the fucking thing, bro? Can I use it again? Okay, good, cause it took my secondary.
Oh, it did?
Yes, and it gave me that slug shit.
Oh, yeah.
So I increased my health twice. So it's 717 now. I got so scared, bro. This round would have been over.
Oh, yeah, was it your
Not
R?
been your fault. It was my right click. So it's that spin.
Oh, okay,
I'm gonna risk it.
Actually,
Fuck, I need that,
yeah,
but
this
I'm
quick.
good in there.
I don't want
What is it?
No, not, no, I was...
What is it?
No, no. Dio's best friend. What is that?
Cheat death consumed on use? I can cheat death once.
Oh,
That's huge. Only if if I make it to the fucking final board and I don't fucking randomly die.
nice.
I think that would be like that was set it like not how we died last round. I'll be able to like come back and draw aggro from you, so you can get your health back up, play some more turrets and shit.
Yes, they is that.
Yeah, it's coming together. We just gotta get back, kind of get back or get better stuff than what we had before. Ooh, the trip tip dagger, bro. Crazy name. Yeah, but I think it's even better with the that one thing we just got. The Shadow Spleen.
Oh, yeah. Next, like,
Yep. I know, right? I keep getting them, and I haven't even found a box. Go down here. Go down here. Two lovers forbidden from one another. The world divides its people. Found a teleporter. Two of us will... Oh my gosh, I got 2 of those death mark.
Oh yeah, those are good for.
Yeah, they're gonna be good. Oops, I pressed the wrong button. Two of us will be together.
More bands.
Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountain. Secret, 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 secret tunnel. Are you ready?
I'm still.
Cause I'm broke.
Let me get this one item in here. Go back to where I was. Did you buy it?
Yeah, I did. My bad. Ow. Oh, ow. Magnum Worm, please? Oh, yeah, I fucking called it. Oh my
Jesus Christ.
god. Oh, I might be dead. What the fuck? Probably the worst map for Magnum Worm, or the worst spot.
This is the worst spot. Oh
Actually, tee up.
no. Oh, let me. I'm laying back, bro. I need to. Hold on. Actually,
We don't even need to fight. Magnum Worm literally kills himself. But I'm in there anyway. I'm in there like swimwear. Those who know, bro. That's actually those who know. See, he already fucking killed himself, bro. Alright, what's this? What's this? Field cell. Guess that's kind of good. I need to replace my shit, though. I like how the big drone is just peering from the top. And he hasn't taken any damage yet. We really want to make sure he lasts, because he's going to be big help.
pause.
We want... You're fucking stupid. We also want to get that thing again for them for the ghost stage, because he helps really well against grandparents.
It's like I got that from like a golden totem.
Yeah, we gotta find the golden totem.
Yeah, but he doesn't count for like that boss fight.
I know, but he's good help against grandparents. Why is it grandparents when it's literally one of them?
Nah, I think it's grandparents. Wait,
All right, let's go.
2 keys and. Alright, I think this is the stage.
This is the stage.
So look at OD wants to attack grandparent. That's not even like English.
I don't know.
What's in here? Airstrike? What the fuck is that? I just want to end. I want to go to bed, bro. Not even really. We're right here too, bro, and we're way faster than before.
We're on like I'm.
This is only 27 minutes. Pause. I don't want to die here. I need to save the fucking teddy bear. I'm just gonna run around and then hope to finally get.
Oh wait.
I'm not seeing
It's
any.
the gold one. Wait, is it?
Do we do
No,
it?
it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. That's the combat. Oh, one up there.
Yeah.
Grandparent already. Wait, I found the one. I found the item that I one-shot the boss. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I found the item that I one-shot the boss with.
Pick it up.
Hold on. I can't afford that.
How much do you need?
I got it.
You got it? What's it called?
The Prion accumulator. It does hella. It does this hella damage. And I have 3 of it.
Is this it? I still don't have a double jump,
Yeah, we can see
which is actually kind of concerning.
Oh
Holy-
my god. Oh my.
Oh
Yo,
my
okay,
gosh.
okay, I made me lag. Actually.
Yeah, no. Oh my
He's-
gosh. Oh my
Yo,
gosh.
Okay, okay.
I almost just died because
What
of
is a
that, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, we're not fucking using that shit again, bro. That marked everything on the map and literally almost got me killed.
I'm getting these squid polyps.
18.
I don't think there's any point in getting drones because like they're just gonna die.
I mean, they did. I mean, they still do
They
damage.
still help us. I think I should still do it.
Yeah. Hopefully, grandparents is in trouble, bro. Grandparent.
But the luckiest thing we could get is like 3 like ants for the grandparent. But like we need to find like one of those. Need help? Oh, get out. Or break sight, at least.
What?
Oh! Are you good?
Please.
No!
I didn't want to use that, bro. I wasn't. Yo, fuck that bitch. I'm not fighting that bitch. Cause I wasn't even like. I was literally not even near. Oh fuck.
What help is it? What HP is it?
No, don't even bother with that bitch.
Oh. Alright. I mean,
Like scratch,
wait, revive!
scratch it.
I
bro.
forgot you had
Huh?
that. I forgot you
Yeah.
had that. Forgot you had that.
That's when it's teleport. I hate this map so much. I'm locked out. They won't let me out. They won't let me out, baby. I'm locked out. I found the thing, Tatum. Do we want to use it?
High risk, high reward, bro.
You tell me, bro. Took too long. Nigga, you took too long. We're fucked.
High risk, high reward. Watch out, they do so much damage.
I know. Let's go find this so we can get out.
Plus, I have have like
Is it gonna be over? Oh, it's right here. I think that's it.
at least. Ah,
Oh, nothing to it but to do it. Yeah, you can
What?
come up there.
God.
Wait.
You're blazing quiz. Wait.
Not grandmother? Oh, the fuck. They still touching me, bro. Where's the health pack thing up here? Geronimo!
Yo,
I fell off the map.
you didn't die though, right?
Please not, please not, please not, please not. I fell off the map. I fell off the map.
You're good though, right?
I'm just trying to. Yeah, I fell off the map though. I lived. Holy shit. Oh my gosh.
Holy.
Bro, this. I fucking started burning.
I'm burning too, yo.
You can't get out of there, bro. Switch from me. What the fuck? I got sent the wrong way, bro. Why lucky?
Alright, but this is good because high risk, high reward.
You don't got no damn double jump, bro. Y'all finna get torch. There's a big body ass bitch up there, bro. Oh my gosh. They gave us fucking guillotines, bro. Voila.
Bro,
No way they just gave us guillotines. I went out.
why does like my ability like I'm gonna try it on this mod. Kinda.
I went out.
You want the explorer? You wanna fight the grandparent?
I was gonna find no grandparent. I went out.
Couldn't find no
I don't
black
like this.
holes, so like I gotta have
I don't like this map at all.
we have no double jump. You wanna look first? Like snipe.
I already had a black hole earlier. Just dropped it.
Okay, everything dies at 99, so like we can just scout the map. Oh, there's a blue portal.
Nigga, nothing died. Nothing died. I don't think they died for this one.
You wanna clear?
It's okay. No, we can look real quick. Hey, the black hole's over here. Get that and dip like a chip, nigga. Cause all your drones are dead. And so are mine. Oh my fucking
my
god.
It's not like
Well, I did this. This is not even better than last round, bro. Blue portal. Oh no, we don't want to go to blue portal. Do we? No, we don't. We don't. We don't. Okay, bro. This shit. I'm out.
Alright, let's fight the grandparent. That grandparent thing is creepy, though.
Yeah. Fucking one drone.
Yo,
Oh my god.
like
What
it
the
matters.
fuck happened?
I like the batteries.
I mean, they were doing stuff though in the first two phases. Then came back and fuck us in the ass.
Oh my god, I only have one black hole at a time now.
Huh?
I only got one black hole at a time now, boys.
I'm not as fast as I used to be, bro. Voila.
No double jump.
No trip. I had triple jump, bro. What is you talking about? I had 4 jump.
Wow. like sometimes it's in this
Ah.
like I don't even know. I think it was Peter last time.
I found a box with the key for the keys. They give me double jump.
What just took? Is there any good items in the
Um, there's just red one up here. I don't remember what it was. I don't know what it is.
Wait, so is that monster an elite? Like the boss? Actually, no. More bands with fire.
Nope.
I got the
Nope.
Bible.
What's up now? I'm out. I'm stuck. Oh yeah, no. Heading to the next one. Bro, one was there.
Alright, you think I should like try and like space out the turrets? So like,
Yeah.
I need double jump.
Gotta do this blood sacrifice shit, bro. I'm gonna wait for you.
Cause like I might avoid the, I might supposed to avoid the slam. I don't know how I'm supposed to avoid the slam. That's the thing.
I finished the build. Yeah. No,
No.
that's good. No, I didn't pick it up.
Okay.
I was just asking. They started screaming at me.
Got it. Oh, you got it?
No one watch on there. Oh crap! Yeah, I missed that. Boy, get up!
Bro, I have like no movement. How do you get up there?
There's one below. I just came up here because they were attacking me. I think I can do this one first. I didn't even know this one was out there. I get ready, Tatum. It's time to go. Let's go. Get out the pillar. Let's get this.
Yeah, I'm not making it. I'll take a look at
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so here's the
Crack
plan.
your bones. Crack everything, bro.
Alright, so, plan.
I draw aggro, you place, you
Alright,
spread
I
out.
think we're supposed to use this for like, you see these like steps right here? I think we're supposed to use those.
What steps? Oh.
So,
Okay.
like,
I don't know.
Can he like go up this? I don't know. I'm not sure.
I don't know. We just gotta YOLO it, bro. I don't have the bear, bro. Fucked up. Got burnt to death like a bitch. Even though I wasn't anywhere near it. Like I was literally like I was outside, out of mind type shit. But you know what I'm saying? I got 885 health. Got some good but you gotta go for it. Let's go.
Yes.
This is the last round. This bitch. This loincloth wearing bitch, bro. What? I'm invisible! Yo, this is not no. This is some bullshit, bro. Oh my fucking god.
You have to make it like a funny moment compilation.
Ain't nothing funny about this shit. Dying so early on, bro. I didn't even do that first time. That's so stupid. Alright, get ready. Jump.
What?
You guys start placing drones down again? Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't have no double jump.
Oh my gosh. We can do this, bro. We got this. Not today, though. Not today.
If I had a double jump, bro, maybe.
We could probably play tomorrow. I go to work at 6. So we can definitely play tomorrow.